Residents in Scarlet Hall, Trelawny are this evening upset after their houses were demolished. The police say they're now making plans to have a meeting with stakeholders to resolve lingering concerns in the area. What's left of the houses on this property in Scarlet Hall, Trelawny? The rubble seen here helps to tell the story of Friday's demolition exercise. The residents say they got a call that a group of men were demolishing buildings in the area.
I came around here as quickly as possible. I saw them in the process of demolishing a property. I had asked someone, to identify who they were and just to indicate to us if there was any form of documentation stating that this demolition was ordered. The order was coming probably from the court or the parish council or somewhere, just for us to know. However, no one answered our questions.
They didn't bring any tractors.
They didn't bring anything. They didn't bring any tractors. They bring guys with sledge. They use manpower.
Just last month, the Trelawny Municipal Corporation issued a stop order on construction in the area. When we spoke to the mayor of Falmouth last month, he argued that the construction of an entirely new community with over 80 houses took place without permits from the local authority. According to the mayor, the landowner has gone to the courts for a demolition order. Now, it's not clear whether that court process is finished, but the residents say they've been living on the property for years, so they're in shock.
At this point, we are at loss for words because for all these years, we have been around here, or for the many years that we have been here, we have never seen anyone came and said anything to us about the land. We were unbothered for the 12 years that they would have said that we are squatters, or our rights would have chipped in then. So within that period of time that we started our building, it was after the 12 years of us being on the land as squatters. And from what I know from the law, that as a squatter, if you've been on the land for more than 12 years, then you're entitled to start building.
I've been occupying this property from August 2006 and no one has ever come by, not once, to tell me that you're either on my land or the court has given me permission to evict you off my land. So I find it very strange that without warning, someone would come in and demolish my building. At this point, I feel very violated and I really don't know what to do.
We contacted the head of the Area 1 Police Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers about the matter. ACP Chambers told us that the police responded to a confrontation in the community. He said residents were throwing stones on a group of people they claimed were there to destroy their property. ACP Chambers said the matter was brought under control and everyone subsequently left the location. According to him, efforts are now being made to have a meeting with the property owner, the municipal corporation, the MP and others.